Hi guys, what is up? It's Ariel. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm finally doing my college dorm tour. This is for sophomore year. I'm living on campus again and I'm also in the same building as last year. I'm in Commons 2. So I'm about to show you guys how me and my roommate decorated our room this year, and I had my friend Caroline help me film this. Shout out to Caroline. She's literally the best. Also, I have a dorm tour from last year if you want to see what our dorm looked like. So I'm gonna link it up here or also down below if you want to check it out. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe. I upload 2 times a week on Wednesdays and Saturdays. Also give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. I'll heart and respond to it if you have any questions. And also I'm going to try and link everything that's in my room that I can find down in the description bar down below. So yeah, with that said, let's go ahead and get started into the dorm tour. Hi guys, so what is up? It's Ariel. Welcome to my dorm room. So I have my friend Caroline behind the camera and she's just gonna be helping me film my sophomore year dorm for you guys. So come on in. Okay, so starting off, this is the door. We have this full-length mirror that we command stripped to our wall. I think it's from Walmart. We have this section. So this is like our kitchen area. When you live in this dorm, it comes with a microwave and a mini fridge. This is a Keurig that we bought. I use this all the time because I drink coffee every day. And we have this basket. It has like our bowls and stuff and our silverware. Up here, our mugs. These are mine. These are my roommates. And then we got this sign last year from Target. So I see a chalkboard, but we never bought chalk, so it's just there. And then this I got this year from Five Below, and it's like a little dream catcher. Okay, so right next to our kitchen area is our bathroom. So this is our bathroom here. It's really nice because we have our own bathroom in the commons. We have like a shower, a sink, and this is what mine and my roommates looks like. So our theme is pink, and we have like a pink shower curtain. This is from Bed Bath & Beyond. It's just like what the shower looks like. It's kind of messy, so don't judge. And then we have our carpet from Walmart. We got our towels, our pink towels of course. And then over here we have like the toilet, but we also have storage. So we have just cleaning supplies and like medical stuff and everything up there. And then our favorite part of our bathroom is our rainbow. When you turn off the light, it glows pink in our bathroom. So it's pretty cool, but it's from Target. We got it from the little kids section last year. It was like $30. So that's what our bathroom looks like. Across from our bathroom, we have our closets. This is my roommate's. But this side is mine, and then in between I have a shoe organizer. So my closet is kind of messy. It's not like super organized, but this is just all my hanging stuff. And then in these bins, this one I have like coffee and tea, and then this one I have food, but I don't have a lot. I need to go to the store and get more. And then the top bin, I have just like random stuff. I don't even know what's in there. But down here, I moved one of the cabinet sets that came with the room, and I'm just using it like to put my shoes on. And then I have like pajamas and other stuff in there, like socks and stuff. I don't want to be like, yeah, I brought there, but whatever. But I do. So this is our sink area. Every single dorm in the commons has a sink, and this is ours. We have these medicine cabinets on the side. This one's mine. This one's my roomie's. The soap dispenser from Target, toothbrush holder. And then instead of using like the soap cup for actual soap, we have it for our sponge. So yeah. Inventive. Underneath the sink, I have these storage bins. So like this one is mine, and I just have, I don't even know, like hair stuff in here. Cleaning stuff. This is my roomie's. That's her makeup. We also have this rug. It's our rainbow rug. It's $5. It was from Five Below. We got so much stuff from Five Below. In the commons, we get desks, and then we also get beds. So furniture is provided. We put our 2 desks together so we can put the TV in the middle of the room. This is my TV, and I'm obsessed with it. I always have movie nights and stuff, so it's really nice to have a TV. This one's my desk, and everything on here is just like knickknacks and stuff that I got from home. I don't really do homework in my room, so I don't have a lot of school stuff on it. I kind of just get ready here. So that's kind of why I have this thing. This is like makeup and face products. This is all my makeup stuff here, like my makeup mirror. I have these lamps. This one is from IKEA, and then this one is from Walmart. All my plants and like decor and stuff, I honestly don't really remember where they're from, but if I can find them, I'll link them down below. I have this bulletin board. I got this from Target last year, and then I put like little prints on it. I like to just stick them up. I have the hydro flask because I'm a Visco girl. This is my chair. I have some storage down here. This is all like my books and school supplies. So it's kind of messy, but I hide it all in the basket. I also have my diffuser. I have to talk about my diffuser. We use it every day. Last year we didn't have one, and I remember it would smell like food after we had mac and cheese or just pizza or anything. So I'm really glad I have this diffuser because it just keeps it smelling good. Above the TV, we have this sign. It says peace and joy. I think I got this from Target too. And then this is my roommate's desk. We have a lot of plants in our room, so her desk just has like a lot of plants and stuff. Moving on to this side of our room, we have like our TV there, and then our bed's going this way. This one is mine. I lofted it really high this year, so I can't get up on it unless I use this stool. I have this stool from, I think it's from HomeGoods, but it's storage too, so like it opens up, you can put things in it. I don't have anything in it right now, I might later. We have this little cubicle thing. This is from Target. I feel like everyone has this in their dorms. Someone asked me last time where these bins are from. These are all from Target, and these just have like, this is hair stuff, this is school stuff, this is electronic stuff. Basically, all this is from Target storage wise. So then on top, we have some decor. This is my side, and then I have this lamp from Target. It's fuzzy. And I have this letterboard from Five Below. It says, if the stars were made to worship, so I. It's one of my favorite songs. And then we have a bunch of fake plants. These are all from Target. And then this is from Michael's. This is my roomie side, so she has like her coffee cup and her Polaroids. And that's me. Then we have these signs. It says good vibes. That's pretty much what our setup looks like in the middle here. And then moving on to over here, this is my bed. So my bedding is from Target. This blanket is from Five Below. And then the pillows are all from different places. But I really wanted to do a gallery wall this year. I saw something similar to this on Pinterest. And I saw someone do this with the headbands. So I thought I'd replicate it because I thought it was cute. But I have this poster from Vanity Planet, and then these two cork boards are from Target. I have more pictures, and I have a bunch of pictures of my people and family members and like everything on here. So I also did lights. I think those are from Target as well. And then I have this like tapestry wall art thing from HomeGoods, and I think it's really cute. Underneath, I have a lot of storage because I lofted it. So I have like clothes. This is all my folded stuff, so like t-shirts and stuff. And then these are all skirts, shorts, and sweatshirts. I have this bin, and this just has blankets in it. I feel like people always want a blanket, you know, so I have extras. And then this is my laundry bin, storage stuff. I have books. I keep my Bible here because I read my Bible at night, so I can just like pull it out from underneath my bed. But this is my roomie side. I really don't know too much about where everything's from, and she's not here right now, so basically, we both did white bedding. This is also from Five Below. I know that because we got these together. And then she has all her different pillows. She made this over the summer, so I think that's really cool. And then she just has more photos too, like me. This is our window. We have blackout blinds because it's super bright in the morning. And then we put this garland over it from Five Below too, because everything in our room is from Five Below. That was my dorm tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I had so much fun showing you guys our dorm, and I really loved how we decorated this year. If you have any other video requests, make sure to leave them down below as comments, and I will definitely see them. Subscribe if you haven't already, and give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time on Saturday. Bye.